Hi friends, welcome to Model Ideas. You are watching Model Ideas Rajendra Bonla YouTube channel. This is Rajendra Bonla. And so friends, today I am going to explain in this video is Hyderabad Central University's model papers of MSc Biochemistry. So friends, till now I have made some videos on Hyderabad Central University notification and its complete details, syllabus, and how many courses are being offered by Hyderabad Central University. Next, I have uploaded model papers of chemistry, physics, maths, statistics, and even for some social groups like economics, civics, means political science and sociology like this here. And today I am going to explain biochemistry. Some of my subscribers, they have been asking me for Hyderabad Central University biochemistry papers. See, first of all, you have to follow strict rules are there for this biochemistry. You have only 120 minutes time and 100 marks, but the questions are 85 questions. Okay, then your question paper will be divided into three parts. The first part A consists of 25 questions and 25 marks. Each question carries 1 mark. Next, part B consists of 45 questions. Here too 45 questions consist of 45 marks, 45 plus 25, okay, 70. And then part C, it consists of only 15 questions and each question carries 2 marks. Then this consists of the 30 marks, total 100. And see another thing, negative marks. In the part A there is no negative mark. For that part A, negative marks is that 0.33. okay, for each wrong answer you will be deducted 33% marks from your overall marks. Next, there is no negative mark system for that section B, but in the section C it is very difficult and different, my dears. Just you can understand that here is that 0.66 means 66%. So be careful. And if you get wrong marks, what will happen here? Your marks will be reduced to that 66%. And I will read every question. Then part A questions, each of the question has only right answer, then you need to understand it. Okay, then just you can read and which one is correct answer, you can select it. And you can pause this video. Now take a pen or pencil, a notebook, and you can write 85 questions. Then read this question and try to write the answers, because you need to understand whether you prepared well or not. I will give you key at the ending of this paper, right? I am ready with the key paper, so you can choose which one is correct answer. Okay, and question number 5, yeah, question number 6th. So with the key I give you, you can compare your marks. Okay, then another rule is that when there is a tie, then they can see section A marks. Then which student get more marks in the section A, then he will be awarded less rank. Now question number 10, come to that question number 11. So it is difficult, I have seen, but only this biology means biochemistry paper is somewhat difficult compared to others, because I did not see 66% of deduction marks. Okay, question number 14, read every paper. I'm unable to read all these questions because I need to complete this video within that given period of 10 minutes. If I read every question, it goes 1 hour, so that just you can read, and when you read it you can understand that this question is from your degree first year or second year or third year syllabus. Next, you may analyze this question paper, what are the topics that they have in the form of a question, and analyze these questions and topics. Then which books are most usable for you, and which topic should you have to read. You can analyze yourself, my dear. And for this Hyderabad Central University, competition is very high compared to others universities, state universities, because entire Indian students they want to get seat in Hyderabad Central University because the university of reputation, and no need to be worry about our life if we get seat here. Okay, we completed 25 questions from the section A, and now come to that part to B. Another 25 questions here that no what is that minus marks. Okay, but be careful when you get answers these questions. Okay, so then a high competition for the last 10 years in Hyderabad Central University. The students who have completed his PG from this university need not bother about his career, because most of the private companies too want to come to that Hyderabad Central University, and they want to offer sound salaries jobs at that university level. We need not to go other side for the seeking of the job. If you have potential knowledge, then you will get seated. You will get good opportunities in your career. Okay, and just like if you want to see the heaven in the world, then you can join the Hyderabad Central University, a university for truthfulness and success. Okay, now come to the question number 35. Read these questions. Question number 36. That is better option for that state students who wish to complete your PG in biochemistry. Now question number 38. 39. Up to 45 questions. Remaining 45 means 70 questions. 1 marks questions. Okay, read every question. Just you can pause it. If I scroll fast, just you can pause it and have an eye on each question. We have very less time in that examination because we have only 1 minute time to complete our answer, so that read each line within the 30 to 40 seconds. Then so you can select which one is correct option within that 5 to 10 seconds and start your bubbling within the 10 seconds. What it may be that you need to complete your answer 40 to 55 seconds only. So that much of speed is necessary to get a seat such Hyderabad Central Universities. Okay. Next 51 question. 52nd question. These questions are long in the form. Next 54th question. Read each line. And when you read it, then you can understand it. This question is from your intermediate or degree, first year or second year, final year. Then you need to focus mostly on these topics of your syllabus when you prepare for it. Better to read every topic because it is not an annual examination, and we should not write here descriptive way because it is multiple choice exam, so that there is no chance for us to leave some topics. Question number 61. Each and every topic is important for competitive exams because a single mark can lead us more than 10,000 people's rank, or it can drag us down to the earth. Now question number 65, 66th. Going to complete soon part B. 68th question, 69th question, then 70 question. Yes, we completed part B2. Now 15 questions are there for the part C. Here each question consists of 2 marks and negative marking is 0.66. So be careful, very careful when you answer these questions, because if you go wrong, what will happen? 0.66 marks will be deducted from your marks. Means from the part A and part B, your 2 right answers will be deducted. So friends, be careful while you answer it. It's not an easy matter, right? 74th question, 75th question. Now 76th question, 77th question, 78th question, 79th question, 80th question. Okay, remaining only 5 questions are there. 81 question. If you don't know the answer, try to get answer, and when you feel it is completely confirm, then only you go for right answer. Otherwise, then you will be deducted 2 right answers for each wrong question. That is very dangerous for us when we write such type of questions. Okay. Now question number 85, this is the last question, and be ready. I will give you key. Then have you completed 85 answers? If yes, then be ready with a red ink pen. I will give you key. And see my dears, just you can see University of Hyderabad entrance examinations 2019 model paper. Okay, not model paper, this is the original paper. Now you need to focus on 1 to 10th questions. Yeah, 1 to 10, like next 10 to 20, 10 to 20, next 20 to 25 questions, next 26 to 30 questions. Okay, just you can see most of these questions are A, B, C are correct, here C and D correct, here B and C correct. So this is the way of that they are going to make this question paper. After that 50 question, see here 41 A, C, D, 3 also correct. Okay, next 41 to 50, right, here all options are correct. Now 51 to 60, just have a look on it each question. Next 60 to 70, next 70 to 75, have a look on it again. Next 76 to 80, now 81 to 85. So 1, 2, 3 such questions, then not only one option, there are 3 or 4 options are also correct in this model paper. Okay, so this is that old paper of Hyderabad Central University 2019. So friends, if you like my video biochemistry, then please subscribe my channel if you comes first time, and you can share this to your friends and support me in being a good YouTube channel for myself. Okay, thank you, all the best.